Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Paper Art. I hope you all are fine. Today I am showing you different ideas of pebble art. As you can see, these are very beautiful and amazing ideas. So if you watch my video for the first time, then please subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for more updates and videos notifications. If you like my video, please share it to your friends and family. As you can see, these are very amazing and beautiful ideas like pebble sceneries ideas, pebble blocks and flower ideas. I hope you all like my video. You can ask me everything about this video in comment section. Remember me in your prayers. Take care. Allah Hafiz viewers.